Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, welcome to the channel DevDBQA. In today's video, the topic of the video is verification overview, validation overview, and verification versus validation. So guys, if you are new to this channel, then please press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get regular updates. On this channel you can find videos related to manual testing, automation testing and programming languages as well. So guys, let's start with our today's video. Verification. Verification includes different activities such as business requirements, system requirements, design review and code walkthrough while developing a product. So verification comes into the picture while the software is being developed by the dev team. So the software is in process and the development of the software is in process, then the verification comes into the picture. So the different activities that are involved in verification are business requirements overview, system requirements overview, design review and code walkthrough. It is also known as static testing, where we are ensuring that we are developing the right product or not. So in verification we check that the software that is being developed by the dev team is according to the client needs or not. So the software that we are developing is right product or not. It also checks that the developed application fulfills all these requirements given by the client. So we check in verification that the application that is being developed by the dev team is fulfilling all the requirements that were given by the client. Now validation. Validation is a testing where tester perform functional and non-functional testing. Here functional testing includes unit testing, integration testing and system testing, and non-functional testing includes user acceptance testing. So in validation, the tester or the testing team perform the functional and non-functional testing on the software. So the functional testing performed by the testing team includes the unit testing, integration testing and system testing, and the non-functional testing includes the user acceptance testing. So validation comes into the picture after the software was developed by the dev team and then the software is given to the testing team to test the software to find any defects or bugs in the software. Then the validation comes into the picture. Validation testing is also known as dynamic testing, where we are ensuring that we have developed the right product. So in validation we check that the software that is built by the dev team and now given to the testing team for testing and finding the defects, that the software is built right, the product that is built by the dev team is right product that is developed, and it also checks that the software meets the business needs of the client. So we check that the software that was developed by the dev team and now the testing team is having the software for testing activities. The testing team checks that the software meets the business requirements, the business needs of the client or not. So now guys, we will see the differences between validation and verification. First of all, verification, we check whether we are developing the right product or not. In validation, we check whether the developed product is right or not. Verification is also known as static testing, whereas validation is also known as dynamic testing. Verification includes different methods like inspections, reviews and walkthroughs, whereas validation includes testing like functional testing, system testing, integration testing and user acceptance testing. Verification is a process of checking the work products, not the final product, of a development cycle to decide whether the product meets the specific requirements or not. So in verification we check that the different modules or the units of the software, not the final product of the software, meets the requirements of the client or not. Whereas in validation it is a process of checking the software during or at the end of the development cycle to decide whether the software follows the specified business requirements or not. So in validation we check that after the end of the development cycle the software is according to the business requirements or the client requirements or not. We check this thing in the validation part. Quality assurance come under verification testing, whereas quality control comes under the validation testing. The execution of code does not happen in verification testing, whereas in validation testing the execution of code happens. So in verification testing we don't execute the code of the software or the functionality of the software to check that it is following the requirements or not, whereas in validation testing we execute the software, the functionality of the software to check that the functionality is working fine or not. In verification testing, we can find the bugs early in the development phase of the product. So in verification testing, we can find bugs early in the development cycle of the product, because verification starts from the beginning of the development of the software when the software is in the development phase, whereas in validation testing, we can find those bugs which are not caught in the verification process. So any defect which was left out from the verification process, the defect that can be caught in the validation process when the software is tested by the testing team. Verification testing is executed by the quality assurance team to make sure that the product is developed according to customer requirements or not, whereas validation testing is executed by the testing team to test the application. Verification is done before the validation testing, whereas after verification testing, validation testing takes place. In verification testing, we can verify the input follow the outputs or not, whereas in validation testing, we can validate that the inputs given to the product are right or not, and the output given by the product should according to the inputs or not. So in validation testing we check that the functionality is working fine or not, whereas in verification testing we check that the input follows the output or not. So guys, that's all in today's video. In today's video we have seen verification overview, validation overview, and verification versus validation. So guys, if you like the video then please hit the like button. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get regular updates for future videos. And if you have any suggestions then please comment in the comment section. Thank you.